All right, guys, so this is an intro to the intro. Sorry, the sun is bright as anything. But do me a favor, at the very end of this video, drop a comment. I'm gonna start doing a question of the day at the end of each video where Julia asks me one of the questions from the comments and I go over it in detail. And it's gonna be like rant about anything, life, trading, whatever, hardships, success, anything like that. So do me a favor, watch to the end of the video, drop a comment, asking any questions. I'd appreciate that, and let's get on with the vlog. What's going on, guys? It's your boy Mac. A little bit of change of scenery here. We got the top. I got the coffee, so it's gonna be a good day, but just out for a hike now. How close was that to my face? We're not sure. Just out for a hike now. Great start to the day. Stay along for the vlog. You guys are gonna appreciate it, and I'll see you guys in the next clip. Boom. All right, guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed the little nature montage here. I'm just chilling in the, wait a minute. I'm not in the office. Woo! Now we're in the office. So yeah, guys, started the video off, different little scenery, went for a walk with Jules into the woods. We had the coffee, it's a great day, like I say. And yeah, it's just gonna be a Saturday. It's gonna be a great, chill Saturday. Stick along for the vlog, you're gonna learn something. I'm also tweaking my trading plan, something that I wanted to share with you guys, so stay around for that. And I'm also gonna go over the trades that I took on NASDAQ this week. 3 trades that took me out at break even, guys, and went right to take profit. I either took 2 trades or 3, I can't remember off the top of my head, but all 3 or 2 took me at break even and went right to TP. So it was a beautiful start to June in the sense that we were right about every single trade, but unfortunately it took me out at break even. But I'm gonna bring you guys along with me and you guys are gonna see all those trades. I'll break it down for you in HD. And if you guys can see, it is absolutely stunning outside. So I'm gonna bring you guys outside, so stay tuned for that. Give me 1 sec. All right, guys, so we are outside now and it is absolutely stunning out right now. Absolutely stunning. These are the views right now. I think me and Jules plan on chilling out here today, enjoying the Saturday. We've been kind of go the last couple of weekends, so this is gonna be a stay-at-home day in the life, and I think you guys will like that as well. We're going to the gym as well, so stay tuned. Really loving the physique that I'm starting to get. I have a music festival in July that I'm training for to look the best that I can possibly look. So it feels good. I'm a lot, I'm not lighter, but I'm 6'5", so I used to be 225 pounds. I was obsessed with going to the gym and building up size, and I was kind of eating crappy. Now I'm 208 pounds. The goal is to have abs, which are here now, and it's just about fine-tuning that before the festival, because the guy wants to walk around with his shirt off and get some looks. Julia's looking at me. I'm just joking, obviously, but just that I just feel confident when I'm walking around with my look good, feel good, body's feeling good. I feel good on the charts, and yeah, so once was a big body, now I'm still a tall body, but I'm trying to lean out. So I will be showing you guys that as well as the months go on, my little body transformation. I took a photo before and I'm going to take a photo after, so stick around with that. But they had the what's the word I'm looking for, landscaping people in here, and tell me that doesn't look great. I'm not sure if you guys can see that. I hope you can. I'll just turn the camera around right now. But yeah, it looks absolutely gorgeous. They got the barbecue down there, they're putting the grass in over there as well, and I just absolutely love the view here, guys. You can see literally everything. Let me just, I can't zoom out, but yeah, beautiful day. Gonna bring you guys along with me. And there's an unreal boxing fight tonight. I'm not even gonna say who I think is gonna win, because every single time I've been wrong. So I'm gonna write it down and then I'll show you guys. I'll be honest with you guys at the end. You guys will be able to tell through my energy at the end of the video who won the fight. I'm 0 for 2 in predicting, so I'm not gonna jinx it or anything like that, but anyways, stay tuned and I'll see you guys in the next clip. All right, guys, thought I would just sit down for this part of the video before we get into the charts. I touched base at the very beginning of the video about how my trading plan has changed and how it's kind of adapted. So lately with my plan, after I've been up, say a couple R, I would move my stops to break even regardless of where price was. And that was working a lot when I was trading forex. It was because it's not as volatile, right? I was trading EU, which is a pair that moves on average like 60, 70 pips a day. And now I've switched to NASDAQ, which moves anywhere from 300 to 600 pips in a day. So it's way more volatile. And what I found myself, the issue I kept running into is when I would move it to break even, price would come all the way back down to entry, tag me out at break even, and then go all the way to take profit. My strike rate with the pair has been fairly high, and I have the confidence now. When I first added it, I was risking 0.25, but now I'm starting to risk more on it just because it's a new pair. I didn't want to risk more on the FTMO and stress myself out, etc., etc. But I'm going to be bumping the risk up because I feel confident. But anyway, what I'm going to do moving forward, and I wanted to jot this down because I have a feeling it's going to be a moment that I'm going to remember moving forward in my journey. I am now not going break even anymore on my trading setups. I will be going hard stop loss, hard TP. I will be setting a take profit at 1 to 4, and I will have my stop loss. Okay, so my trades will either hit full take profit at 1 to 4, or they will stop me out. But that loss is so minuscule compared to the amount of break evens. The stop loss is minuscule when you think about it in comparison to getting stopped out at break even and it going all the way to your TP. So for example, say you're risking 1%, that 1% loss is a lot smaller than taking a break even and losing out on 4%. So essentially, when this keeps happening to me, I would rather take the 1% loss than take the 4% loss, because that 4% profit would have been mine if I didn't go break even. I hope that makes sense, because it does in my head. And I just wanted to jump on here and document this because I just have a good feeling that this is going to be something I'm going to remember. I have a feeling this is going to be something that's going to help my trading a lot. And especially, like I said, NAS being such a volatile pair, giving it that extra room to move and, giving the stop losses a little bit more room, I feel like is going to benefit me a lot. And like I said before, I'm having so much fun on this pair. It's amazing. And I'm just super, super grateful that I'm trading this pair. Because I always wanted to end up trading indices, always. When I started years ago, I always saw myself, especially being a New York trader, a New York Open trader, I always saw myself trading indices because all the guys I looked up to were trading it. And back then I was like, oh, I want to be like them. But I see why now. I absolutely love the volatility. It fits my personality very, very well. And especially being a New York Open trader, I just absolutely love it. So yeah, I just wanted to give you guys an update on my plan before we jump into the trade breakdowns. And you will see exactly what I mean, guys, when I say it took me out at break even and then went all the way to take profit. If that wasn't the case, this week would have been 12R, I believe, 12R week, which is amazing. But it wouldn't have been actually 12% because I'm risking 0.25%. So being transparent there. But we're going to be moving forward, risking half. So I will keep you guys updated, and I'll see you guys in the next clip on the charts. All right, guys. So thanks for joining me over on the charts here. I'm just going to break down the 3 trades that I took this week. It was 3, and you'll be able to see how spot on these trades were. I just ended up getting taken out at break even, and I'm going to explain why. So with the first trade here, guys, as you can see here, I'm just going to quickly overview my bias on the trade. Just quickly show you so you have an explanation of it. I'm not going to go too in detail, but anyway, we had a big imbalance up here as well in that order block right here, and you can see we were trending down. We had buy side liquidity residing up here as well. So this analysis that I had here, I had marked out absolutely perfectly. It was also a H1 order block here. So I waited for this trade all morning long, and it played out absolutely perfectly. We had London lows down here. We had taken out a bunch of buy side liquidity, right? Now, when price takes out buy side liquidity, we're going to start looking for sell side liquidity, right? In the opposite direction. So once we mitigated up here, I jumped down to the 1 minute time frame, and I was looking for my entry criteria, which was completely met. And this is where I went wrong. So this trade, I had my stop loss at 30 pips. Okay, so I had a 30 pip stop loss on this trade because this high over here was the previous day high. Now I was okay with having it above that because if it did get swept, I was anticipating just a short pretty much right after that, after taking buy side liquidity. But for some reason, I moved my stop loss down just above this high. Now, when that happened, I was kind of in my own head here. I can't explain it. It was just one of those days. But once I had my entry criteria met here and I had the lower time frame break of structure right here, I had an entry right here and I got tagged in beautifully. And once price started to take off all the way down here, I went to break even. Now, I'm glad I went to break even in this sense because price came up. It would have taken me out and then dropped. But the issue here was I had a 30 pip stop loss. I would have been in this trade if I just left it. And this gets back to what I was saying in the previous clip to this. From now on, I'm going to start holding my stop loss, my take profit, and letting it just do its thing. Because I find with NASDAQ anyway, price comes back a lot and retraces into that entry area. And I'm finding I'm just getting break even all the time. But anyways, this was the trade here, targeting London low. So that was the first trade here. Now, let's jump over. Same day, that was in the AM session. Okay, that was the AM session for indices. Then PM session opened up and we had this nice high probability order block right here that swept liquidity to the left. I myself had a limit right on this order block here. And when price started to break the other way, I was only targeting a 1 to 3 because in case bullish momentum continued. But once price started to break away from entry right here, again, I went break even. Price came back, took me out at break even, and then ended up dropping all the way to take profit once again. So that's twice in the same day there, guys. So a little bit frustrating here. I was prematurely going break even because NAS is a new instrument for me. Okay, so it's new and I'm absolutely loving the volatility and I'm getting the pair very, very well. This was just a trade where if I just left it again, would have went right to take profit again. So that was two beauties in a row. Now the next one over here, guys, I can't remember what day this was, on June 2nd. This was a beautiful trade to plan. From the trade the day before right here, price left equal highs up here, right? So we have liquidity residing up here. We had London high up here as well. Now, what I was waiting for was a sweep of sell side, which we had right here. This orange line is previous day low. And then I was waiting for break of structure in the opposite end, which is what we got right here. Okay, we had a lower time frame break of structure right here. We had an imbalance here. We had a high probability order block as well. And again, limit right here. Price ran all the way up, guys, to a 1 to 3, and then came all the way back down and took me out at break even, and then ran all the way to TP. Okay, so again, 3 trades this week, guys. All 3 took me out at break even and went all the way to take profit. It is what it is. This one ended up running way, way more. But like I said before, for the month of June, I'm going to be doing a 4R, hard 4R, and I'm going to do just the 4 to 1 risk to reward average on NAS here. I'm finding based on the trades that I've taken, that's kind of been my sweet spot. And again, I'm just going to be opening myself up to that risk. The trade's either going to win or it's going to lose. I win way more than I lose, so I'm excited to implement this and let you guys know and keep you guys updated with what I see and how I liked it and the results, good or bad. So thanks for tuning in to the chart aspect, and I will see you guys in a second. All right, guys, hope you guys enjoyed that little chart breakdown there, going over the trades that I took. All in all, great week on the charts. Very, very blessed, very grateful that that's the issue that I'm having right now. It's a lot better than, say, being wrong all the time. So for that, I'm grateful. Sorry, I'm just moving the camera a bit. For that, I'm grateful. And I just find the weekend is so important, guys, to just make sure you're going over your trades. Make sure you're journaling your trades the week before. And then on the weekend, you can go over them. I don't really go over them the day of. I'll build the collective. I'll do my daily breakdown at the end of the day of what went right, what went wrong. But then I really, really focus on it as a collective on the weekend. So I'll go over Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and just see where I went wrong, where I went right, the trades I took, the trades I didn't take, why, etc., etc. So hope you guys enjoyed that part of the video, and I will see you guys in the next clip. We're heading to the gym. Stay tuned, and I'll see you guys soon. What's up, guys? So we just got back from the gym. Sorry we couldn't get any footage. We completely forgot to get footage at the gym, but had a great leg workout, great shoulder workout. Just got home, just showered now, so that's with the little curly hair there. But yeah, me and Jules are just gonna order food now. As you can see, still beautiful day, beautiful day. So we've just kind of been making the most of it and relaxing. But like I said, we got the big fights tonight, so we're just about to order some food. I'll bring you guys along with me. If you've stayed this long, please drop a like on the video and drop a comment. I love the suggestions, by the way. Love the suggestions, and I'm going to take them and move them, or I'm going to take them and use them in the videos moving forward. This just seemed like a perfect day in the life where we just kind of hang out, go over the trades, etc., etc. I like to say I do a lot of fun stuff, but sometimes on weekends all I want to do is chill. So I'm going to bring you guys with me when we're doing the fun stuff, and I'm bringing you guys with me when we're doing the chill stuff. But next week we're going to see Justin Bieber on Tuesday. So the next vlog you guys see this will be in Toronto again vlog. We got some unreal seats, seeing Biebs, our two best friends. It's gonna be a good time. Justin Bieber, baby, Justin Bieber. So I'll see you guys in the next clip. And like I said, subscribe, drop a comment, and drop a like for your boy. It's the next day, guys. So we're just walking to Tim Hortons now. Georgie lost, which sucks. It's tough. I'm at like 0-3 now, guys, for predictions. So I don't know if I'm the issue here and I'm jinxing everyone or what, but next time I'm not going to say anything. But yeah, heading to Tim's now. And yeah, it's Sunday now, so I got a call with the community today, and just, you know, prepping for the week and stuff like that. So I'll bring you guys along with me for the first little bit of the morning here. Need to get my coffee, you guys know that's a major part of my day. And I'll see you guys in the next clip. Just back home now on the balcony. I was just thinking about this just now. Do you guys feel that you enjoy the little things more when you like grow older, in the sense that like when I was a kid, like I always wanted to stay inside on a nice day and, you know, play video games, be on there doing whatever. But as I get older, big 26 now, so you guys know the drill here. I'm pretty much a fossil, but as I get older, as soon as it's nice out, I want to be outside, just soaking up the sun. And I'm like, even when I'm trading in the morning and it's super nice outside, I'm like low-key looking forward to getting outside. And I feel like it's just the appreciation of little things that grow the older we get, because we know how valuable it is, and we know how blessed and lucky we are to even have those things, right? Like I wish you guys could have saw my balcony last year. For the previous 3 years, you know, the apartment we were in didn't have air conditioning, had cockroaches, the people in there weren't the greatest, no air conditioning, like I said. It was just terrible. And the balcony was like, it didn't have any glass like this. It wasn't a huge balcony. Like ours is huge right now. And there was rust all over the balcony and stuff like that. And I'm a big guy, right? Like I said in the video, my legs couldn't even, like, I could barely fit a chair on that thing because my legs would hit the rail. And it just really puts into perspective how appreciative we should be for the little things like this, and embrace every level up when we get the chance. Even small wins, small little level ups in your life, you're gonna look back and be like, whoa, like last year I was here, or 2 years before that I was here. And then it's moments like these where, you know, something as simple as just sipping on my coffee, staring out at this with the sun, it just makes you grateful for all the hardships. It makes you grateful for all the times you weren't in this situation. And it's crazy how it works, because that was my first apartment that me and Julia moved into. And when we first moved into it, I was like, we were ecstatic. We were so excited. It was a new start for us, because before that we were in our parents' house, right? So it's each little level up. It's just awesome to embrace it and be grateful for how far you've come, and just being grateful for the little things. Like I said, just sitting out here now, enjoying the sun, being on the balcony. It's nice. And it goes for, you know, like my car that's on its way that I'll be showing you guys. The car I currently have now, which is like a piece of crap, but to me it was everything. because before that my vehicle was a bigger piece of crap. So it's just crazy looking back. Each milestone you were once so excited for, as you move on, you're like, what, I was excited for that, or what, I drive this, or you know what I mean? Like, but just be grateful for it all. Sorry for the little rant right now, but I'm just thinking the weather and stuff like that brings it out of me, and I just feel like it's a good way to wrap up the vlog. And yeah, just let me know if you guys want me to do more sit down stuff like this, and how you guys want me to shape it at the end of the video or something like that. I feel like it'd be good to just sit down and think and speak and just share what's going on in my head, because like I said before, I like to do this as like a video diary as well too, right, to look back on down the road. But moral of the little rant here is be grateful, look at how far you've come, and just remember that it's the little things that are going to make you so happy. It's just the materialistic stuff, it comes and goes. That's what I'm realizing, and I've never been a materialistic guy, but something like sitting out on a balcony with the sun coming down on you, which is something I couldn't do before, I'm really noticing that's the stuff that kind of makes me happy, like the experiences, going out and doing stuff, and yeah. So anyway guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's been your boy Mac. Like I say at the end of every single video, let's be 1% better every single day. Hope you guys crush this week. The vlog next week is gonna be fire. A lot of fun things this week. So yeah, love you guys. Like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you guys next week.